My name is Darren Vader, and I'm the founder and head elf here at thechristmaslightemporium.com. Today I'd like to share with you some of the cool things you can create by using C7 LED replacement bulbs or C9 replacement bulbs to build custom Christmas light strands. One of the coolest things you can do with LED replacement bulbs is to build your custom light strands using unique color patterns that you won't find in any pre-lamped strand on the market. This is achieved by screwing various colors of C7 or C9 LED replacement bulbs in various patterns of your own design along a length of C7 socket wire or C9 socket wire. Here's some great ideas. Use many different colors to create a multicolor pattern, or create color themes that can be changed out by season just by changing one or two colors of LED replacement bulbs. Create patterns by using alternating colors for every other bulb, or create patterns by alternating colors for every third or fourth bulb. Or make a red and white candy cane pattern, make a Christmas red and green pattern, or make a minty pure white and green pattern. Use the colors of your favorite sports team. Visit thechristmaslightemporium.com at the links you see here and check out our selection of C7 and C9 LED replacement bulbs for your next custom Christmas light strand project. Happy decorating!